Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Fanika and this is Fanika TV. Remember to subscribe to the channel and hit that post notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post another video. I want to say happy Sunday. Today is the beginning of a new week, guys. So yeah guys, today I'm going to be cooking some Sunday dinner and I decided to turn on the camera and record for you guys. Yes guys, remember to watch the ads and also to leave a comment down below. Fire. Okay, take the fire guys. So yeah. So yeah guys, I'll go catch the fire. So hot. I don't want to work my phone without the case in I. The coconuts. We put in a pressure together. yeah guys, the fire don't catch, so me I fan out the ashes them out of it. So yeah guys, so I'm gonna prepare the coconut milk. Coconut milk guys, and I wash off this grater. There's more water I want to add to it. Guys, pressure cooker with the peas in there. I'm gonna put thyme and something. I will juice, I will put more water in there and get another juice out again. More water guys, see if we can get more milk out of it. So yeah guys. Alright, so yeah guys, wash off my hand. Gonna put some salt in the pot. So guys, so don't forget to put salt in your pot, you know. And stir it round. So yeah guys, peas up on fire now. I'm gonna cover it up. So stay tuned guys. Remember guys, you cannot have a Sunday in Jamaica without some rice and peas are cooked. So yeah guys, stay tuned. Let's see guys, I'm gonna be frying some chicken. So yeah guys, remember to subscribe. Do not watch the video and don't subscribe guys. Subscribe and also leave a comment. Thank you. Yeah guys, so you know to the pot of pressure. Let's do that. Yeah guys, it's pressuring. Great. So yeah guys, it's too finished. Okay guys, so may I take out the pot? For this pot here. Yeah man. Stop it now. Yeah man, if me burn up, if me burn up, if me burn up, if yeah guys, may I add more oil to the fire. I'm gonna fry my chicken. I'm gonna put my chicken back on the fire now. So yeah guys, stay tuned. We're gonna do some French fried chicken for our Sunday dinner, guys. So yeah. I'm a fan of the ashes. I will add the pot on the fire. I will put the semi-leaves, right? Then clean. So yeah guys, stay tuned. Yeah guys, let us zoom in on the chicken now. Yeah guys, zoom in. One, 60, yeah. Alright. Still in the chicken.
Got some good aroma.
Guys, so we are flour up with chicken them. You know, so me have a little secret sauce and mix it, you know. Guys, my work untidy. You know, no must have said that, but there you go. And everybody speak and span. And everybody has to speak and span. Stop it. Stop it now. Stop the video. So yeah guys, we're going to turn. So we have enough butter. So we second butter chicken guys. Guys, go fast.
Hello, Rina Ford.
Hey, take up a ring light. Guys, we are turning the second batch. Need one more turn. You guys see them? Let them mix up our. There you guys. We'll make them soak it some more. Just to. too. Hey guys, I make the sauce for the chicken. So yeah guys, soon add in the rice and everything. So yeah, cheers. Hey guys, so we are gonna put in with rice now with our pot now. Hey guys, the rice. Drake, look what you are doing. Yeah guys, so we are searching rice. And the rice in front nowadays clean. You don't really find much brown or no dirt or so again. Like one time. Yeah, so we have pick out the rice. When you play in rice like this, I eat it a bit swelling. Okay, take it swell. Okay guys. Stop it. So yeah guys, we're gonna add the rice in the pot. You just have it for. So yeah guys, this is it. We have a scotch bonnet, pepper in it. Oh. So yeah. Now we'll put it plastic. Make this. Guys. Start back with the rice coming up. Cover it up. So yeah guys, rice and peas soon ready. You know, so you can have a Jamaican Sunday dinner. Hey guys, to all my subscribers and viewers, this is the end of this video guys. My battery has died, so you're not gonna see the finishing of this video guys, but stay tuned. Remember to subscribe to the channel, hit that post notification bell guys, and so that as I post a video guys, you will see it. Stay tuned. Thanks for the support. Let's get the channel to 20,000 subscribers. Yeah guys, thank you, and leave a comment. Bye.